Hey there, Steve from Steve M Outdoors, and today we got ourselves an unboxing video. This month it is the August/September RLM Elite Bass Box. In case you're not familiar with RLM Elite Box, it's created by SimpleFishing, Canadian company out of Alberta, bi-monthly box, and you are guaranteed 8 to 10 lures, quality lures at that, per month. So anyway, let's talk more rock. Let's open this up, see what we've got. All right. Oh my. Oh, a card. Well, that's an auspicious way to open or start a box. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, it's like a card with a crankbait snagging remedy. Here you go, for those of you who are interested. Sticker, that's nice. What's in the box, and the slam card, which, in case you're not familiar with it, they include it every month. And it's basically a way to track what fish you catch, you and your pals, and whoever gets all of them presumably gets the RLM Slam. Cool. And apparently, well, they're thanking me. Well, that's very kind of you. Thank you too. And I'll use that to spotlight the lures. All right, anyway, let's get started. Oh, hard to miss this one right at the top. It's a crankbait, obviously. Touch me. Okay, well, I'm touching you. Not sure. Oh, it seems to be changing colors. It's a little lighter now. Color changing lure, apparently. Smartbait. Wowzers. Well, let's find out. Wow, what the hell am I supposed to catch with this? This is huge. That's what she said. Alright, so maybe it's supposed to change colors in the water or something. Activated by water temperature. Well, there you go. See, it says it right there. I gotta learn. So anyway, this is the it's red and chartreuse, blood red and chartreuse. Huh, interesting. It's a pretty big crankbait. I don't see how deep it goes though. That's kind of important. I mean, that's the one thing you want to know about a crankbait. Doesn't look, I mean, it's a huge lure, but the bill's not that big. Oh, here we are. Depth 1.2 feet or 4 meters. Okay. Oh, interesting. I'm gonna. Wow, that's a big lure. That might be too big for smallmouth bass up here, but interesting. All right, next up, let's go here. We've got another crankbait. It's the Pro Sunny Bagley crankbait. Let's take it out. Dives 3 to 6 feet. Oh, it's a nice lure. Not quite a square, but like, what is that, like a coffin or something? Well, whatever it is. Huh, interesting. I like Bagley, made in Serbia. Well, there's, you know, the last couple months we've gotten lures made in Haiti, Serbia, Croatia, Ukraine. It's crazy. Anyway, it's nice. I like it. It's 2 crankbaits. I'm not a crankbait guy. But one does not turn down crankbaits when one is given them. That's what my dad taught me when I was a kid. What, another crankbait? Nope. Lunkerhunt prop fish. Well, prop implies that it is, in fact, a topwater lure. And yes, here you are. You've got your, there's your prop, the tail. Huh, interesting. Weedless body design. Anyone that tells you that something is weedless hasn't just tried hard enough, because I can assure you I can make any lure weeded. And the color is pumpkin seed. Interesting. Oh, I like it. Alright, what do we got here? We've got pack of hooks, Vector wide gap hooks, 3/0. You get 5 of them. Okay. I'm sure something will come into play here where you're going to need those. Jerkbait by Strike Pro. Superior quality. Oh, here we are. Finally, I've missed it. Tournament grade. It seemed every lure that came for a while is tournament grade. 0.8 to 1.2 meters. So that's about 4 feet for our American friends. And the color is Sinnoh 23G. It just rolls off the tongue. Okay, so it's a jerkbait. Good summertime lure. When the fish are all sluggish, you just toss that sucker out there, give it a little jerk, and then just sit there, wait, then give it another jerk. People always fish jerkbaits too fast. Now we got a couple of plastics here. USA Bama baits. Alright, expecting a little bit more than that. Are these crawdads or something? Yes. No, these are like, they're frogs. 4-inch Bama frog. Interesting choice of color. You know, I don't fish the plastic, like these kind of soft plastic frogs very often. When I do throw frogs, it's usually the hard bait, or the soft, the plastic kind, not these kind. Which is a shame, since I have like 100 packs of these frogs. However, they look nice. They're not too big. Nice. Doesn't say what color it is though. It just says that it's infused with Bama fuel. Goodness gracious. I don't know if that's legal in Canada. Prop 65 warning. They don't even bother to explain what Proposition 65 was. Must have been when all them hillbillies went blind. Okay, next up. Bam baits. Fish much? Proudly made in Canada. That's the thing about Simple Fishing and their RLM box. They always try and throw a Canadian lure in there, at least one. And this is a Crawdaddy. 5-inch or 12.7 centimeters. Guys always use centimeters, makes it sound more impressive. Scent infused 6-pack midnight copper, and it's good for largemouth, smallmouth bass, walleye, lake trout, and northern pike. Let's see what we got going here. Well, they didn't lie. It's a crawdad. It's got the little tongue though up here. Oh yeah, here we are. Yeah. Okay, so it's a Craw pattern, soft plastic. Very nice. And what's last but not least, Yum. The Yum Pulse in, I'm guessing, Summer Gill, 8 to a bag. Very American lures, other than that Canadian lure, the Bam bait. You can fish a crawdad anywhere. I mean, you can fish a frog too, but I mean, electric blue, holy Christ. No. Electric blue is a very non-standard color for Canadian fishing. Yeah, I mean, like that huge lure, it's like in pumpkin seed. Holy Christ, can I not open up a bag of plastic? Hold on. Here we are. Alright, so here you are. Swim bait, paddle tail. Very nice. Good color, actually. Okay, there you go. I was critical about the color. Not really critical, but noting. This is actually a good color. I like it. It's kind of like a green and a chartreuse, and it's ribbed for its pleasure. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, super. So that's it. There's your box. The math will appear below shortly, if it hasn't already, about how much I paid for this box and how much it was worth. It's always a good value, assuming you like all the lures in there. So you had your Yum Pulse. You had your Strike Pro jerkbait. You had your Bagley crankbait. You had your, what is this? Smartbaits color changing crankbait. 3-aught hooks. Prop fish topwater lure from Lunkerhunt. Bama baits frog with Bama fuel. Be careful. And Bam's Fishing crawdads. Overall, you know what? I have to say I'm satisfied with this box. I kind of wish the colors were a little more natural. You know, I'm a guy who really loves my watermelons and pumpkins and minnow patterns, you know, that sort of thing. I find that stuff works the best. Once you get into some, you know, a little more crazy colors, you know. Then again, I'm on record saying I don't think color is a huge deal, so take it for what it's worth. Anyway, so that's the August-September RLM Elite Bass Box. I give it 2.5 thumbs, or 1.5 thumbs up, which is pretty good. So, as always, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please feel free to like, subscribe, share, all that sort of thing. Comment, you know, did you like the box? Did you hate the box? Leave a comment. And links below to both my Twitter and Facebook pages. As always, enjoy your day, tight lines, happy fishing.